Hello, everyone. Good evening to some of you. Good morning to others. And a happy good day to the rest. I just wanted to come in and try another shout out by heart. I like to memorize things by heart. That's one of my hobbies. Whenever I'm bored, I like to try and name all the 50 states. And I wanted to say a special thank you to several of you, namely Tom, TLG 847. Um, and there's so many people that I just love visiting vlogs of videos and beautiful things. Paul, UK 1967, or vice versa. His things are just so wonderful, and your videos are what got me connected with so many people that I just loved, and have so much fun going to see what they're up to, and going back over the things that you've filmed. Fantastic Babblings, Phil, and Barbara Bush. One of your many fantastic characters. However you got that name, it fits you so perfectly. And Sign 543, dear neighbor. I wonder if you still have those puppies. I'd love to see those, especially that black and white one. Looks like my dog I just last year. Had till just last year. I'm not the best speaker in the world, but you know, I mean, who'd have thunk I was going to be speaking in front of a camera? Just what, 6 months ago? And it took me about 3 months to get one after I found YouTube. And but I'm doing my best to improve things. The sound's much better now, which is good. And so, but I'm really getting excited about Toronto 888 already. Tom, you got me interested. First off, somehow that got mentioned the first couple of your videos I saw. When I found out it would be in Toronto, I got all interested because some of my family was from Toronto, couple generations to, well, 3 or so before we hit the States. And so we're already starting to make plans to go to Toronto because my dear Gabriel speaks fluent French, and he's been there, and he says how beautiful it is. But it's going to take a lot of planning, so we're starting very early. So there were a couple other things I wanted to talk about. To my vicar, Rich, I do as you say with my, this is my favorite coffee cup. It says, I don't know if you can see it very well, Unalaska. And Unalaska is in Alaska, in the Aleutian Islands someplace. And then there's an Onalaska in Texas and some other states. So anyway, uh, there's so many people. Positive Sue, um, Foxy Cindy, I mentioned before, and Silly Boo. I love you guys. Cute. And a couple of new people on top of the Toronto 888 station. It starts 888. It took me a long time to find it. Is Twish. Twish 1999. Hi, Twish. I love your thing so far. Great talent. Go see her. She's funny as a crutch. And that's all for now because I'm getting long-winded again. Succinct is not my skill. But I have fun coming in and saying boo, so boo. And Rich, I don't know if you'll get a spooky video from me, but maybe this is spooky enough. Talk to y'all later. Bye, people.